welcome. As we step into a new year with Soo Sports at Vern Eide Marine, we are going to be taking a deep dive into a discussion about boats, technology, and experiences that'll make your time out on the water unforgettable. With me right now is Jason Hohn, who is the general manager, and also Brian Tordsen, who is the director of marine development. Gentlemen, let's get right into it. Brian, we'll start with you. Talk a little bit about your experiences and your background with boating.
Well, I've spent my entire life fishing. Over the past 25 years, I've been an avid walleye fisherman, fishing tournaments all over the Midwest, and it's my passion. It's a dream to go out and fish, and it's relaxing.
Yeah. Jason, how about you?
Well, I grew up fishing with my grandpa, uncles, cousin. I grew up 45 minutes from the river, so we went to the river at Fort Thompson a handful of times every year, and ever since then we've kind of I don't get out as much as I want, but I get out a couple times a year, and we spend a week at Oahe. Me and my cousins we do that as our thing that we grew up doing. So
yeah, a few months ago, two boating businesses came together at one location. What does that mean for your customers?
I think the biggest thing that it means for our customers is, with Vern Eide being in business 60 plus years, Soo Sports being in business for 57 plus years, you don't get to be in business that long without good reputation and taking care of your customers. And having both of them coming together, I think it's helped to provide the best boat buying experience that we can provide for the area.
Brian, what do you think it means to your customers?
Well, we took two great teams between the two businesses and taken that knowledge and learning from each other to make us better than what we were as individual businesses. So it's a great opportunity for us to continue to learn, educate ourselves, as well as educating our customers.
If someone's never been here before, what can they expect?
Well, the biggest thing is it's a huge, awesome showroom. We have more room for boats in our showroom than some of the boat shows we go to. So if you want to see one of our new boats, whether it's a Ranger, a Camus, a Skeeter, Lund, Crestliner, pontoons, you can see them all inside all winter long.
It's impressive. Jason?
Well, kind of what Brian said, with having an indoor showroom, being able to get an opportunity to jump in boats in the middle of the winter, having the opportunity to jump in all kinds of different boats, different models, things like that. And the other thing that people can come to expect is just customer service.
Let's talk about that, okay? Let's talk about your staff. A lot of experience. They're experts in the industry, aren't they not?
Yes.
Talk about them.
Yeah, so that was the other thing about bringing both teams together is with the knowledge that the Vern Eide team and the Soo Sports team had combined, even just in the service side. Let's start with that. In the service side, we have between 4 guys just in the service side. We have over 100 years of service experience, which is awesome. I mean, that's the thing. Knowledge is key, right? I mean, people, when they come in to have something done, they want to make sure that people know what they're doing and that it's getting done right. And they'll get that here at Vern Eide.
Talk about your staff, Brian.
Yeah, our staff fishes, we can walk the talk and talk the walk and those kind of things. Because we're out there, we're out in the boat fishing, we're out there trying to catch walleyes. We got guys that will pan fish and fish for other things. So when a customer comes in and they're talking about fishing and how's this work in the boat, we can tell them from experiences, here's what we do, here's why we do it. Based on how you fish, it may not work, but here are some other options. So we can give them ideas and things that they may not have thought of just because we're out on the water doing the same things they are.
Talk about the different brands that you have here and brag about it as you want.
We have the top brands in fishing that you want to have. Ranger, Lund, Camus, Skeeter, Crestliner. They're the best of the best. They're the best out there for fishing. From a pontoon standpoint, you got Bennington, you got Ranger pontoons, you got Godfrey. So we have a wide variety of different options for people. And, just because one person likes one boat, we have other options for them to meet their needs.
Yeah, besides the new boats, you also deal with used and consignments?
Yes. Yep. We do both of those. We trade for boats all the time. I mean, obviously, with the amount of new boats that we have, and there's a lot of current boat owners out there that, they're trying to figure out what to do with their boat. They bring it, we trade for it. And with our reconditioning thing that we do in our service department, people can be confident to know that when they come buy a used boat from us, they're going to get something that's decent. It's went through our service department and does a thorough inspection on it.
Talk about like Lund and Mercury, why they're at the top of the list when it comes to resale.
Well, the biggest thing with the Lund brand is, it's not the cheapest boat that is made out there. There are other boats that are cheaper than what a Lund is, but Lund holds their value. Lund in the Midwest has a awesome name. People know Lund boats. Same thing with Ranger. They're best in class. They've been around longer than any other fiberglass boat out there, and people know the names and the brands and willing to pay for those type of brands that are out there.
Let's talk a little bit about rigging a boat, customizing it, making it your own. How do you do that?
Sure. So when customers come in and they want to buy a boat, we're set up with Garmin, Lowrance, Minn Kota, Humminbird. They have the option to rig it however they want, whatever graphs they like, whatever trolling motor they like. If they're used to a specific brand, we have it. They can do it. We can put it in their new one. They can get the latest updated technology. Our riggers are very good at rigging the boats. They're very detailed.
Yeah, and that's the thing, is the key is in the details of how you rig a boat. When we talk to them about rigging a boat for a customer, it's like, rig it how you would want your boat rigged. Make sure that you do that quality that you'd be happy taking that boat out. It's your boat. And we strive to do it right the first time, and we want to set everything up for the customer that's going to make their day on the water enjoyable, and they're not going to have issues, and the electronics do what they expect them to do.
Yeah, because you want to have fun. You want to find time to relax, too.
Yep.
Yeah. Talk a little bit about some of your favorite picks, or maybe your trends as we head into 2026.
One of my favorites, probably the Camus. They are a newer brand out there. They haven't been around as long as Ranger and Skeeter and Lund and all those other ones, but they make a good fiberglass boat. But I've also been running those, so I'm a little biased. I've been running that for a few years, but fit and finish is great. They ride well. That's my go-to boat. The Lund as aluminum, like Brian mentioned, how Lund is, they may be a little bit higher priced, but it goes to that old adage that you pay what you get what you pay for. Lund, they're built like tanks. They're built awesome. That's why you see Lunds that are 30, 35 years old that are still on the water. I mean, they're just great boats.
What about trends, Brian?
There's a couple new models that are coming out. The boat builders are trying to figure out ways to get more people involved in the sport and buying boats. Lund this year came out with a new Explorer model and a 17-foot and an 18-foot boat, looking at price points, and I think it's going to be a great seller for us this year. So that's one thing that's exciting. Ranger came out with a new 620X boat, which the difference between their normal Fisherman series is it's got jump seats in the back. So it's more of a family fish and ski type boat, but a performance of, the Ranger fishing boat that they're known for. So they're coming out with new ideas, trying to get more people interested, trying to understand customer needs and making it a family boat and not just purely fishing.
Yeah, along those lines, say a young family, got a couple young kids, want to get them interested in fishing. What advice would you give them?
For me, the best thing was just taking the family out and having fun. Myself being a competitive walleye guy, sometimes on the water it's hard to just relax and have fun, but just take them out. give them the opportunity to catch a bullhead or a sunfish or whatever it is. Get them excited about feeling that little nibble at the end of the rod. And that, the smiles that go with that is just unreal.
Yeah, and that's the beautiful thing with in the boating industry is you can make it about family. You can make it just about competitive. And there's such a wide variety in how you use or how the boating world can fit to your family. If you are that hardcore fisherman, great. If you are that family person, they all will do what you want them to do. You know, you take a family out, like Brian said, it
just takes one
takes
bite
one fish
where you're addicted. You want to do it
Correct.
again.
Yes.
Right? What gets your motor running? What gets your motor running when you're out on the water fishing?
For me personally, it's one of the most relaxing things that I do. To me, it's a stress reliever. Getting in one of these nice boats and just being out in the middle of nowhere, relaxing, being with some people that you love and that you like to be around too, that helps. Fishing or taking the kids tubing, things like that. To me, it's just a lot of fun.
Yeah, my mom and dad took us boys up north. We'd hit all the lakes up there, and those are still some very good, vivid memories that we always talk about, you know?
Yeah, that's what it's about. It's creating memories. So,
what gets your motor running, Brian?
Well, for me, my only competition anymore is fishing. You know, I played a lot of sports growing up, not as active, but for me, fishing, and it's a challenge myself breaking down a lake, trying to figure out where are the fish. Once you find them, how do you make them bite? What's going to trick them into, you know, ending up in the boat and get a picture during pre-fishing or being able to weigh them in at a tournament? That's what I still strive to do. Like Jason said, fishing is relaxing for me. It's peaceful on the water. You get to see sights that you don't typically get to see other places just being out in a boat.
What's the best part about being part of this team here?
This team is amazing. They've come together better than any expectation that I was expecting. The knowledge is the cool thing, especially for me. I mean, I've only been in the business for 5 years. When we got in, and having Brian next to me that's been in the boating industry, boating world for 20 plus, 30, somewhere around there. Sorry, I'm not trying to age you. But, you know, being in the boating industry and the boating world for a long time, he brings a lot of knowledge that he can bring to me, let alone the rest of the staff with the mechanics, the service guys, the advisors that just know a lot. We have a sales guy that's been doing it for 9 years that is top notch. He's a true sales professional. He just understands people. He can help people. He does a really good job with that.
That's so important too.
Yes.
It really is. Brian, what's the best part about being a part of the team here?
Well, like Jason said, I think everybody gets along together. You know, one of the fears coming in is us versus them, and it's not that. Everybody's open to ideas. We're figuring out, you know, what worked well in both businesses and making them better than what we had it before. And everybody's openness and willingness to have those conversations, and some of them are difficult, just to work through issues and how to make things better, how to serve our customers. It's been great. Everybody's open to new ideas. You know, we have one goal, and that's to make things easier for our customers.
What do you think customers get here that they won't find at any other dealership?
Professionalism and experience. They get it's. We don't look at as a customer. We look at customers as being part of our family. That's our goal. It's not that we're here to sell them one boat. We want them to be part of our family so that their family can enjoy and their family buys boats, and it's a generational thing.
Soo Sports has got customers in the Midwest that have bought boats after boats after boats, and you know, we get sons and grandsons coming in now buying boats, and that's our goal. Is we want to provide for our customers best product available, the best service available. You know, our staff and our teams understand the fishing industry and things that work for them and how it could be a little bit different based on what their needs are. But really, we're here to help the customers.
So before we wrap up, we're going to do a little rapid fire with a couple of questions. Okay? Pontoon sunset cruise or early morning fishing bite?
Fishing bite, of course.
Early morning fishing bite.
Tubes, skis, wake surf, or fishing rod?
Easy fishing rod.
Fishing rod.
Big water or small lake?
That's a challenge. Time of year, rapid fire, and I have to say big water.
Big water.
Best snack to bring on the boat?
Beef jerky.
Licorice.
And one lake activity that everyone should try at least once?
Tubing.
I'm too old for that. Oh, let's go with water ski when you're younger. At least once.
All right. Thank you, guys. So as the year unfolds, we're excited about what's ahead on the water, and we're happy to be a part of that journey with you. Until next time, we'll see you here in the showroom or out on the water.